Hey everybody, what's up? This is Kendra coming to share some Tuesday morning finds with you all for this week. So I am not using my tripod today, so we're doing old school style with the one hand. So yeah, it's just a couple cool things that I picked up in Tuesday morning this week. This was my most exciting find for the week besides some of the dies. But here is the number. This is a big old box. It's in a photo box. Recollections brand from Michaels. You get 63 pieces, but you get all these alpha stamp blocks, the rubber stamps, and they all, from what it looks like, can fit inside each one of these. So even if you want to stamp out your thing and then fuzzy cut each one or whatever and make like a banner or something like that, I don't know. But you can have some fun with that. There are some inks included in that. The inks are probably garbage, but you know, I just want the stamp. So for $10, I thought that was a really good deal. Next, I thought this was a really good find. Here's the number for this one. It's called a Glow Punch. I tried to play around with it while I was working, but I think I didn't have the measurements right. So I think you basically cut like a 4 by 7.5 inch strip and then punch it, and you can, it creates these little globes that you can put a light, like a battery operated light, as you can see in these examples. But for $5, that was a really good deal. Next, picked up a couple of these paints. I was watching Jade Lilac's channel, or is it Lilac Jade? Sorry, Jade, if I'm botching up your channel. But she shared some of these, and she said that she liked these particular paints. So I decided to pick up this gray metallic color and also this aqua metallic color, and these are $1.99. So just some texture paints that you can use with stencils or anything, pretty much. Then lots of Recollection brand items in Tuesday morning. Picked up this container of micro beads. It's a Recollections brand. It was $1.99. This is the only color I saw in this container, but you can never go wrong with the clear. Next, also found this brand of American Crafts micro beads, and this color is Leaves. This is kind of a funky color, but I thought this would be pretty for fall. It's kind of like a mustard color, and these are $1.49. And then I also picked up this pretty purple color. These are so pretty. Love this color, and these are $1.49 also. So those are the only colors that I saw with the micro beads. Let's see. So the next thing I want to share is this pack of Echo Park ephemeras. This one is the Just Be You collection. I shared a bunch of different collections on my Instagram page, 504 Pretty Things. You can see things a lot faster over there. Like I really purchased these like this week and some of these items last week, but you know, I post on my Instagram page faster over there. But there were a couple of the collection. It was the mermaid collection, some kind of like camping collection, like all the Echo Park collections. They had the ephemera packs on Tuesday morning, but I only decided to pick up that one. And then I picked up this one pack of fat quarters. I don't even know if these are, I think these are actually bigger than the fat quarters. It says it's an 18 by 42 inch, but this is just a mint with some silver circles with the lines. I thought that was really pretty. Next, Father's Day have passed already, but I just could not pass this up for 99 cents. I do plan to cover this. I don't know if I'm going to cover with fabric or glitter or washi tape, but the possibilities are endless. And then I also found this one that says The Boss for 99 cents. These are really good deals. You get to paint them with your acrylic paints. So next to the paper crafting items, found this one pack. Tuesday morning had these, and Tuesday morning had these a while ago. I think I bought those when I first started paper crafting. Next, picked up this one stamp, and I don't know if I have this or not, but I didn't want to pass up the leaves for fall. Thought those are really pretty. $1.49. Got one embossing folder. And I hope I don't have this, but it have the banners. And I really love those roses. This is what the image looks like. But I think that is very, very pretty. Really, really love that. Now for the dies and the stamps, guys. Have a good selection. Bo Bunny and Richard Garay. I don't know. I know y'all pronounce that Garay. Yeah. We just gonna park that right there. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So, Bo Bunny dies. Bunch of Bo Bunny bloopers. Bo Bunny dies and Tuesday morning this week. Lots of them I did not get. These are the few choices that I chose. I picked up this one's called Lovely Square. This love is kind of small, but it's a perfect size, especially if you like want to add on a tag or inside this frame. The frames are pretty by itself for $5. Thought that was a really good find. Next found this set. It's called Branch Out. This set of trees have the hearts on it, and then this tree have the stars on it. Really good find for $6. And then the last Bo Bunny I picked up is this one, and it's called Summer Picnic for $5.99. I actually just saw these on scrapbook.com for like $12, I want to say. But it has a watermelon, have 2 different popsicles. It has the clouds. I think this is an ice cream cone right here. These are little ants. Took me a while to figure out what the heck that was. Here's a pretty little picnic basket, and then that's a soda bottle. Oh, duh. Here are the images on the back. So that's really cute. Summer Picnic dies. Thought that was really cute. Picked up this one mini house. I've seen this in Tuesday morning for a while. Just decided to pick it up. But there is a larger size one that I want to get that I'm looking for. I like this because it'll be perfect for Christmas time, first of all. And secondly, it's all one die. So you don't have to paper piece things together except for the shingles on the roof. I think that's the only thing that you have to piece together. But if you look at this, it's one continuous piece, which is so much easy. I wish everybody started making them like that. And then this is a stamp and die set, Brave You. Here's a number, $5. This one says Brave You, amazing this way. Love the floral. Picked up a couple of the masculine ones, a lumberjack collection. This one is called Bromance. I posted a lot of these on Tuesday morning. I think it was about 5 different sets that were related to camping and things like that. I like the Bromance. My husband has a beard, so I thought that would be fun for him. And this is the one that I really, really wanted. And this one is called Plaid Shirt. Self-explanatory. Thought this would be really, really fun and cool. And that's it for that collection. Next, I picked up, this one is called Noteworthy cards. And I think it's just the different sizes, the 3x5, the 4x6, the 3x3. And the corners are already rounded. So, $7. Probably did not need to get that one, but hey. And then also from the same collection, these are not dies, but these are washi tape stickers. And black and gold everything. I had to get that. So just something fun. I really didn't even need to get that one. And the main die that I was really hoping to find is this one. This mug was $20. It's called Mail Notes. But again, it is one piece. A one-piece die. And I just think it's really, really cool. Make this super huge envelope. I do have a Gemini. This will not work in a big shot or a big kick. But I called myself measuring it in the store. And I think the opening is a little bit smaller than a 9. The Gemini opening is a 9-inch wide. I think it's a 9, or is it an 8? No, it's not an 8. It's a 9. So hoping that this goes through that, fits in there. If not, I will have to bring it back. But hopefully it won't. So that is it. That's all I have for Tuesday morning. So I hope you all find some of the goodies. Call your product lines to see if you can find some of these items that you're interested in your area. And I thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.